Okay, it's gonna be a quick smoke test on my dryer vent. I know it's a tad windy out here right now, but the dryer at my house, my grandma's house, is actually running. We're gonna see if it's blowing out correctly. You can already tell it is. Look at that flapping. So we know we're not clogged. Here's my handy dandy tool. Watch and learn. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. That's really good right there. That's perfect, actually. Believe it or not. Oops, sorry. Yeah, that's nice and perfect. Yeah. Very happy with them results there. There's my old air conditioner. Good old, I believe it's a York. There's no name on it. I mean, it's old. It's old, man. It's old. All them weeds I gotta get rid of. Alright, guys. So that was a little short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it.